The brand new Blackstone Adventure Ready 22-inch Omnivore Griddle with the flex fold legs is one of my favorite griddles in the entire Blackstone lineup. So let me show you 6 of my favorite features and then let's make some lunch. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. The first thing that I love about these new 22-inch flex fold griddles is that they come in 3 different color choices. And I literally tormented myself trying to pick the color, but I went with the Outback Tan, partly because Sean, the camera guy, laid a strong claim on getting the Alpine Green, right? You're gonna get that one.
Oh, I'm definitely getting the green one.
And I'm like a little kid who wants a different color bike than his buddy, so I'm letting him have the Alpine Green. I'm going Outback Tan, and it's also available in a charcoal gray. All 3 colors are super sweet. The second feature that I love about this griddle is that it is very portable. Now, it's not as small and portable as those Blackstone camping griddles that we've been using in the show, but it is still very portable. I can get this into the front storage bin of my RV. I can easily get this into the back of my truck. Sean was even able to get it into the back of his Scooby-Doo, and I was also even able to get this into the back seat of my truck. So you can bring this thing anywhere, no matter what type of vehicle you have. The second feature that I love about this griddle is that when it is in travel mode, it is incredibly secure and easy to transport. The hood locks onto the body of the griddle. There's a lock back here for the legs. The griddle top actually slides in and then locks into place, and it's also screwed down to the chassis of the griddle. So when you roll this thing, it is super secure. That griddle top is not gonna fall off, it's not gonna go anywhere. And I know that sounds like it's like an obvious feature to have, but I actually have a grill on wheels made by another company, and when I stand it up like this, the grill grates fall off and it creates a whole big mess. So I love the fact that this is very secure and very easy to transport. The fourth thing that I love about this griddle, and let me be Captain Obvious for a minute here, is that it has rugged wheels on it and you can take it just about anywhere. We're rolling it up to the beach today, and once we get up there, it's also going to be super easy to take it from travel mode into cooking mode. The fifth thing that I love about this griddle, and it may be my favorite feature, is that there is built-in wind protection on 3 sides, on both of the sides and on the front of the griddle. The back is open a little bit so that it can vent safely, but this feature matters a lot to me because I love to cook on the beach and it gets windy up here. It's windy right now, but that wind protection is gonna enable us to still get a nice sear on our smash burgers. The sixth thing that I love about this Omnivore Griddle is that you get 2 different zones for cooking, and you have a very wide range of temperatures are capable on this griddle. So you can have one side that's up really, really high to sear a steak or to do your smash burgers, and you can keep one side on low to toast your hamburger buns or just to keep some food warm while you're cooking. It's a great feature of these 22-inch griddles. All right, those are my 6 favorite features of this griddle. Now it is time to christen this thing and make our first meal. We're gonna do some smash burgers and enjoy some time up here on the beach. We got the griddle all seasoned up last night, so now it's just time to eat and enjoy a nice simple lunch on this beautiful day here at the Jersey Shore. All right, everybody, thank you so much for joining us for this episode of Camp Griddle More. Make sure you check out Walmart and walmart.com for a great price on this 22-inch Omnivore Griddle with the flex fold legs. It is absolutely one of my favorites for camping and for RVing. We'll see you next time on Camp Griddle More.